Hey, people, Yara here. For my Digi affiliate, we're gonna continue on our Clickbank case study. You know what I mean? Using my lead gen secrets. Here we go. Now you can see, today we did get a sale.
Nice.
All right. Okay, so let me just look and see which account got that sale real quick. Yesterday, my first account got the sale. All right, let's keep it moving. Get back to what we're here for. Now this is I'm guessing this might be the email that I wrote. I don't know. I did write an email yesterday, personally, but let's keep it moving. Okay, they want me to log out, log back in here. This is so weird. Right. Okay, so we're gonna go to e-business, e-marketing. Boom. We're gonna continue using this product right here. It seems to be working. Yeah. That's what you do. You stick to the product that works. So we're gonna just continue on with that. See here. Let's go to email types. Wipes, I meant to say. Let's put in the next one here. You know what we're gonna do instead? Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We'll do something a little interesting. We're gonna just rewrite the email I sent yesterday. Pretty much send the exact same email, but switch it up a little bit. Alright, so we're gonna log into my account here. Make sure it's the first account. Okay. Alright, first let's take this, copy. Paste. Let's paraphrase that real quick. I hit stamp it. I think I like that different. Okay, copy that. There we go. So we're just gonna take this. Right there. Paraphrase it. So we just take this, just like that. It's kind of weird, but fix that real. There we go. It's basically the same thing here. We already got a link here. So let's copy. Perfect timing. Boom. It looks pretty good. Make sure everything looks good. Okay, everything looks fine. Make sure to click on perfect timing. If you know at this point, perfect timing basically sends the email around the time you usually check your emails. So make sure you click on that. All right, send the email here. And you're pretty much done, right? You're done for the day. If you only got one account, but if you got multiple accounts, all you gotta do is make another tab here. Log out on this tab. Log back in to your next account. Go back to it. Boom, boom. You know, copy paste here. I really do. All right, that. So this says 2. Like that. There you go, and that's done. It's that quick, right? Let's check the preview. Let's make sure the link works. I forgot to do this for the first one. It works. I assumed it worked, but it's not a good case to do that. Usually the Clickbank won't work pretty easily. I just do it every time. I'm got used to checking to see if it works or not. I mean, knowing if it works or not just by looking at it. It's usually working, but you want to check every single time, especially when it's a product that which you it's not Clickbank. Make sure to check and see if it works. One space can kind of mess it up. All right, so we send the email here. Once you send the email, basically you just copy paste and do the same thing again until you finish with all your accounts. So log out here, log into the next account. It's my third account here. Only got 3 accounts personally. But, so here I'm going to go through. Paste. That. Copy. Paste. That. It should change this to third account. Boom. And you just send an email just like that. Alright guys, that's gonna be, as you can see, how easy that was with 3 accounts. It only took me 8 minutes to do, guys. I don't really edit my videos. It takes as long as I show it to do these things. It's very easy, something to do early in the morning every day. Get about 8 minutes out of your day. And the only reason it's taking that long because I'm talking the process over. But if I wasn't, I'd just be clock, click, clock, click, clock, click. You know what I mean? Real quick through it. But that's all it takes, guys, and you can make some money with affiliate marketing just that easily. I know the hardest part of getting that first sale. I'll tell you that now. You don't really know. You kind of flailing around until you get that first sale. Then you start trying to hone in on making enough money to really actually help you. That's when you start developing something amazing. But anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can catch all these videos when I put them out. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.